COVID-19 pandemic has affected all of us in different ways. However, the impact of pandemic and its consequences are differently on different sector. It's the education sector that has been hit the most. Certainly, online learning has come to aid the situation, and is the best option for the future of our planet as well. Some obvious benefits of online learning are its flexibility, wide range of selection of programs, cost efficiency, and its eco-friendly nature. However, we have experienced some major flaws in the current online learning platforms. Since the whole world is shifting to online learning platforms and education is the only key for the progress of whole world, we have to make sure that the platform we are using is flawless and easily adaptable for all of the students. Some flaws which exist in the already some flaws which exist in the current online learning platforms are poor connectivity issue. Now this problem can rise anywhere anytime, and it can distract the student and also create a lot of backlogs. We also have minimal interaction between students and teachers on online learning platforms. This restricts students to share their ideas. Classaholic is a one-stop solution for all of these problems because it provides a platform where students can interact easily, solve their doubts instantly, and use this with minimal internet usage. This project has been created by using technologies like React.js, MongoDB, Express.js, Node.js, Python, machine learning, etc. The main features of Classaholic are: the first one is Discuss. Apart from the old school live interaction between teachers and students, Discuss feature also provides a special platform for everyone to interact by using a common whiteboard. What you have to do is simply invite others to through a link. Once you join the link, you can see video of everyone, and you can also use the whiteboard for asking doubts to your teachers or discussing group activities or assignments with others. Everyone can use a common whiteboard, so it will be easy for resolving the doubts instantly. The next feature of Classaholic is particularly designed for students having temporary internet issues. The feature is Record a Tutorial. This feature will be available for teachers to record their live classes or make a tutorial on a particular topic for students to view later. They have to simply go on Record feature and click on this button. This is a demo. Once they click on stop, they can open the video player to see what they have recorded. This is a demo. Once they are satisfied with this, they can upload the tutorial, which can be viewed on the tutorials page by students anywhere, anytime. This will be very helpful for students who are not able to join live classes due to some temporary issues. We have also targeted students who are residing in rural areas and have permanent internet connectivity issues. The feature is Capture the Class. Through this feature, a teacher can simply sign in, create a room, send this room code to a student, once they have joined the room, the teacher can calibrate the whole whiteboard on which they are teaching. Once they have calibrated the whole whiteboard, they can start teaching, and once the whiteboard is completely filled with whatever they are teaching with, they can click on Capture the Board. All of the contents on the whiteboard are captured, and the image is converted using machine learning algorithms and compressed so that it can be transferred easily with minimal internet usage. This image will reach to the students with low internet connectivity, and they can easily study through live notes, and there will be no backlogs for them. This was all about Capture the Class feature. Moving on, there is a sign-in feature so that there is a separation in authorized logins, so that teachers can log in through separate email IDs which have been provided by the management, and students can log in with their IDs, and they can simply log in to avail the benefits of all of the features they have. This was all about Classaholic. We hope this changes the way people see online learning right now, and they get addicted to online learning classrooms as soon as possible. Hope you like the idea. Thank you.